So what is karmic debt? Credit karma? I just gave you a whole thing about credit, how credit works. Now I'm giving it to you in the spiritual. You understand? Father, son. Like I said, no one can steal this. Right? Father, mother, like I said, send it back to sender. So, karmic debt, right, which is the spiritual, right, is the idea that negative actions, right, all behaviors from past lives are carried over into the next life. This is why the book tells you not everybody gonna make it. You understand now? Because this goes in, this goes, like I said, my cards, man. Look, you understand? I'm not gonna keep showing y'all, but like I said, my cards. Right? So the past life, so it goes into the next life. So that means, right? This is what I'm trying to tell you, Father. What? Free. When you free from that certificate. So this is basically about murder, unlawful injustice, cheating, greed, envy, hate, right? Blood sacrifice. I'll give you an example. And like I said, I know they ain't gonna like to hear it. The World Trade Center, right? The World Trade Center. All those people, right? All those humans, they crossed over because of that, right? That is karmic debt. You understand? That's karmic debt. That's why it says, Father so loved the world, he sent his only begotten son, right? Right? He's the only begotten son. All this stuff that's been going on, like I said, I'm going to go again.